guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Autumn here at the House Turned Homestead. So today I'm going to be doing a quick little clean with me video. I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen because it is a complete disaster. So if you want to see it go from a complete disaster to hopefully super clean, then just keep watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. So I'll see you in a minute. Hi guys, so thanks for coming back to my videos. I'm so happy that you're here. Today I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen, and my first step in cleaning the kitchen is always emptying the dishwasher, so you can start with a fresh canvas. Of course, the next step in the cleaning of the kitchen process is to clean out the sink. Today, I'm going to be honest, I knew I was going to film this video, so I kind of let it get away from me, which is really bad, and I learned my lesson today because not only myself, but my husband was also leaving stuff everywhere, and I was starting to get anxious about it. As some of you might know, and experience the same thing as me, is that I get a little bit of anxiety when my house isn't clean. So right now I'm just going to clean out the sink and add all of the dirty stuff into the dishwasher. Now, I don't know about you guys, but this is probably one of my favorite parts of cleaning the kitchen. I love to deep clean the sink. I think it's so rewarding. Here, I'm just picking some nasties out of the drain because, of course, there's going to be something growing in there. But I'm going to take my kitchen spray and just spray the inside down, give it a scrub, wipe it out, and it will be good to go. Now, I think this next step is probably one of the most important steps of your cleaning routine in your kitchen, and that would be to sanitize and really wipe down your sink area. I know that at my house, there is a lot of different things that go through the sink, whether that's meat that's being washed or dirty dishes, and then you also do wash your dishes and put clean dishes in. So I think it's really important to sanitize your sink so that you're not having any cross-contamination, and making sure that you use something that is antibacterial or will kill all of that nasty bacteria so you don't get sick. Now I'm just going to start up the dishwasher so that all the dishes can get all clean while I am cleaning the rest of the kitchen. And I'm also going to do a little run around and put all the garbage into this bag here. Okay guys, so I think I might have lied. I think that my favorite part about cleaning the kitchen is probably cleaning the stovetop, because it's so rewarding to look at it when it's all done and shiny. My stovetop does have some burnt on rings which I can't get off, and if you know a tip, please leave it in the comments below. But right now I'm just wiping off all the residue so I can apply my cleaner. But look at how dirty that is. That is disgusting. I did a succulent transplant into a pot last night on the stove top, so yeah, that was what happened there. And here's the stovetop all shined up, and it looks so good, and I have a pumpkin cupcake candle burning from Bath & Body Works. Now you guys, don't make fun of me. I was trying to do a new hand towel arrangement on my stove, and as you will see, it was kind of a fail. I still don't love it. I think I need to go shopping at HomeSense and get some new hand towels, something that is a little bit more made for a kitchen, because these are definitely made for the bathroom. Now can we just take a moment and look at how nasty my kitchen table is. It's so messy and so dirty. There is so much stuff on it. It's like a catch-all, so everything goes to there. Honestly, same as the sink situation that I explained earlier, is that I knew I was gonna film this, so I kind of let it get out of hand. So I'm just gonna tidy all that up, and there's a little sign that I made. So cute. I found that at the dollar store, so I thought I had to pick it up. So now I'm just gonna put all these away, and here's some of the art that I've made, just so you can see, get to know me a little better and what I like to do in my spare time. So we're gonna tidy up. Now that the kitchen table's all clean, I'm gonna do a new little setup in the middle. So I'm just showing you guys all this different stuff that I have to work with. And I also have the wooden little, I'm not really sure what you would call it. I'm pretty sure it's from an antique toolbox, but it was my papa's. So I'm just prepping everything, see how it's gonna work. I really like how this turned out. I think it's super cute. And I used everything that I already had. I had some little rolling pin and a big rolling pin from an antique store, some faux eucalyptus from Michael's, I believe, and then some old mason jars I got from Joel's grandma's barn, and our salt and pepper shaker, and some more eucalyptus, and some faux pussy willows that I decided to add in at the end, and I think it looks so cute. Don't you guys love it? Let me know in the comments down below if you have a special little centerpiece on your table. I'd love to know what you use so I can get some more ideas. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Here is a little overview of my clean kitchen. Thank you for coming along with me while I clean my kitchen, and I hope it gave you some inspiration to clean your kitchen or another part of your house. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next time. Bye!